have a 15 millimeter that will go there, and 13 millimeter on that bolt there. And we have, I believe, 18 millimeter that goes on here on the bracket. There's one up there, and there's one down here somewhere. Where's it at? Oh, probably back in there. Yeah, right down there. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. Go ahead and start on this. And we'll have the 18 millimeter. Now I'm using 3/8 drive because I can't get my big 1/2 inch stuff in here between the sway bar link, I think that's called. So. Oh. Just pushing back the piston. Okay. Now here's a little side-by-side comparison of the brake pads. Let's see. They're about half worn, or whatever you want to say. But I'm just changing the backs because I'm changing the fronts, and they're under warranty still, so. another pin that was seized. Oh, it's still hot. Had another pin that was like seized up. Couldn't get it out of the mount over here. Like it wasn't moving freely like that one. So you can see it's all like gummed up and corroded. I don't know really what causes that. Moisture or something must get in there, and I don't know. So I'm going to try to clean that out. But yeah, if you face this problem, I just watered up some sandpaper like that. I'm trying to get out all the cruddies. That's what I'm doing. Alright, finally got this hole cleaned out. Used sandpaper. Used like a cylinder file, circle file. You know, was going into town like that. Got it all cleaned out. Got all the grime out. Brake cleaned out the hole. Cleaned up the pin on the wire wheel grinder over there. So now it's like nice and smooth. Or smooth enough. I don't know. So now I'm just going to grease everything back up.
Put some fresh grease in there. Probably should clean those off, but YOLO, who cares? Put a fresh dab on there.
Put the boot back on, how to clean that up a little bit. Cut that up nicely. Now I think if you wanted to, you could probably just put this bracket on once you put your rotor on, and then put the pads on when this is on the car. But I just like to do it all up here on the workbench. Okay. It's ready to get put back on. Take off next time. Go ahead and put some never sees on there. Just around here, so that way, just to make sure it keeps coming off easily. Go ahead, put the new rotor on. Okay. pistons, okay? Go ahead, grease up. Those surfaces. Okay, went ahead and pumped the brakes, so now the piston's against the pads now. But yeah, that's pretty much how to replace the rear brakes on a Wrangler.
Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next video.